Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions on the Toomics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the customer service section, and here you can find the frequently asked questions option, and here you can find questions and answers about service problem, payment, content, membership and others. And so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.